What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna talk about something new. All right, and that's introducing Robinhood. Now you might be wondering, what's Robinhood? And no, it has nothing to do with taking from the rich and giving to the poor. All right, that's not what this is about. So Robinhood is a financial service company that offers trading stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies. Alright, the company is known for its commission-free trading model, which allows users to buy and sell securities without paying fees. So that's pretty awesome. And if you want to get into that, that's what I'm going to show you right now. So the key features of Robinhood: the first is Robinhood does not charge commissions on trades, so you don't got to worry about paying to carry out those trades. The second is the Robinhood app is designed to be easy to use even for beginners, so you don't got to worry about too much comprehension before using the app. You're pretty much good to go right from the get-go. The third is users can trade on the go using Robinhood app. So once you got the app, you can immediately start trading. And of course, the fourth is there are no minimum balance requirements to open or maintain Robinhood accounts. So you don't got to worry about having a certain minimum balance in order to use the service. You can just start using it without worries. And the last is Robinhood offers trading in several cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. So a lot of cryptocurrencies. You can get into whichever one of those you want, based on whichever one is more profitable at the market at that moment in time. Of course, there are three types of accounts on Robinhood. The first is a standard brokerage account with instant access to deposits and instant settlements. The second is a premium account that offers additional features such as margin trading and extended trading hours. Now the third is a separate account for trading cryptocurrencies. So whichever one of those three you want to go for, they got you covered. Now of course, there are a lot of benefits to using Robinhood. I'm just going to touch on three of them. The first, of course, is the commission-free trading that can save you a lot of money. All right, a lot of other trading apps, trading platforms, they charge you for this stuff, and if you check what all that amounts to, you discover that you've actually spent a lot of money on those fees. But here, you don't have to worry about that while using Robinhood. You enjoy free trading that saves you a shit ton of money. Now the second is the Robinhood app is designed to be user friendly. Of course, as we said, you don't got to worry about having so much extensive knowledge and all. You can just pretty much jump right into the app, and it's awesome to use. It's easy, intuitive, and all. You don't got to worry about that. And of course, using the app, you can trade on the go wherever you are, whenever. You can just trade. So that's pretty awesome to use. So that's pretty much it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you got an introduction to Robinhood. I'm going to be posting a lot of that videos on how to use the apps and the different things you can do on it, so be sure to check that out. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a like, comment down below, let me know what you think about Robinhood. Of course, share the video with your friends, get them on board as well. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already, because we post a lot of financial apps and stuff, so you guys get up-to-date information and on the go, and we're all moving together financially. And of course, if you haven't already, make sure you ring that notification bell so you never miss another one of our videos. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.